Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkim, and in this video I'll show you guys how I made this wig. So the first thing you need for this wig is your wig cap. You can use any type of cap that you want to use, but I'm going to use this adjustable wig cap. So I'm just going to secure the wig cap to the mannequin head and then use my T-pin to pin it down. And I'm using the Brazilian wool for this twist. There's Brazil wool and there are other type of wools you can use actually, but I'm using this Brazil wool. So I'm just going to cut out the section I want from the wool and then take out 2 extra pieces and then crochet these 2 to the wig cap. Now this will serve as a base for me to twist on. I'm just going to crochet it to the wig cap and then take the rest part of the wool. What you're seeing here is 20 pieces. So I'm just going to twist it to the wig cap. But to start the twisting, I'm just going to make as if I'm doing buzz braid. You know when you want to start your buzz braid, just braid it like 3 times or twice and then separate the 2 that you crochet to the wig cap into, like it's not 4 now, separate it into 2 equal parts to both parts and then start twisting. You guys, this explanation is the best I can give, and I believe you guys are seeing what I'm doing. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to continue the process again. I'm going to crochet two wool to the wig cap and then start twisting it. Like, this hair is super easy to make and it takes less time. This wig did not take me up to 6 hours to make. That is just how fast it was to make this wig. It took less time to make it and it's really very easy to make. Guys, this wig is very light and you won't feel as if you're carrying anything on your head when you have this wig on, and trust me, that is just it. So I'm going to repeat the process again. I will crochet 2 of the wool to the wig cap and then take a measurement of the wool where I want it to be and then start making the twist. So right now I'm going to sew in the closure to the wig cap. This is the closure I use for most of my tutorials and the closure is begging for help already. So I'm going to just sew this one to my wig cap, and then after sewing it to the wig cap, I'm going to cut out the wig cap under the closure. That's after sewing it in, and then just start braiding. And to braid the closure or to twist on this closure, I'm going to use my shine and jab gel. This will help to tame down the flyaways and just make the whole process of braiding with it or twisting with it really easy. I'm going to apply a little shine and jam gel to the hair and then section it into 2 and just start twisting on it.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So I'm going to repeat the process again. I'll apply the shine and jam gel to the closure and then comb it out, section it into two and start twisting.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna.
After making the wig, I'm going to trim the wool, just trim out those excess on it, like those wool that came out, trim them out, and then I'm going to bob the wig. I just want something of a shoulder length or on top of the shoulder, so I'm going to just tie it and then use my lighter to burn the tip, and that is just it. I went ahead to dip it in hot water, and that took like 1 whole week for it to dry fully. And the funniest part is that when it was fully dry, there was no difference between putting it in hot water and not putting it in hot water. So there is really no need to dip your wool into hot water before using it or before wearing it. So don't do this process. So I dipped it in hot water and then let it dry for 1 week. That is a long time if you ask me. So guys, this is a final look. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave your comment in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. Also turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I put out a new video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. Anyone you know needs this video, just share it to them, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.